What are you doing right there?
I'm actually making sure that with the fine stone, I'm making sure that I'm setting the edge. Polishing or setting the edge.
Gotcha. What is the grit on this stone?
This is actually a 4,000 grit stone.
This is a Japanese waterstone?
Japanese waterstone, yeah. What you're trying to do is keep that same bevel along the whole edge. And I think that the sharpening that was done previous to this was they didn't address that situation. Start at the back, work your way all the way forward, and it's not sharp enough. What I'll do now is I'll see where that inclusion, this microscopic inclusion is. I'll take my honer and I'll drag it through and I'll try to feel for the burr that's inside there. So right about there is the burr. And I'll always do both sides of the knife, because if you work one side of the knife, that bevel is going to be off.
Oh, like butter.
Like butter.